Baby ni Mami, oh. Puyat na puyat. This is Liam. My first apo. Hi, Mimim. Hi, Mimim. Laki niya, no? Kasi laki niya ng aso namin. Yes, baby. He's 6 years old. Ayun naman si Beben. Ang pasaway naming puspin. Liam is a snowshoe. And Raven is puspin. And my baby, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Chloe, show them your face. Huh? Chloe is Cow Manay. Look, he has a different color of eyes. I love you. I love you. I love you. And this is Tori Tortor. Tori is as big as Liam. Binubuli ni Liam to si Tori. Si Tori, I love ni Mommy. Siya lang ang may privilege na aso dito sa bahay. He's the only one can come inside. Yung ibang dogs namin, andun sa likod. Doon lang sila. Pero si Tori, love ni Mommy. Love ni Mommy. Ano? Maganda ba yan? Maganda ba yung Tori ko na yan? Ha? Kiss Mommy. Kiss. Kiss Mommy. Ew, di naliligo si Tortor. Klaklaw. Yam. Liam, where you going? Ma'am. Silosa to eh. Ito, gusto pa lagi nasa tabi ko to eh. Ito, ano to? Nonchalant. Nonchalant yan si Raven. Tori, stop it. Init. Nalapit na naman yan kay Mami. Papasok na ako. Babay na. Klaw, come. Come. I give you treats. Come na. Chloe is my anak. Kapatid siya ni Apaw. Actually, he's a boy. He's my baby, you know. Na-trap lang siya sa body ng cat. Pero he's my baby. Come with Mommy. Come with, no biting. You want palo? Why you biting Mommy? Huh? Naughty cat.